Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss the contemporary issue or the burning problem in Manipur. Yesterday, when I asked some of our law students, they feigned ignorance about the root cause for the trouble in Manipur. Everybody says, yes, there is violence, people are there, some churches were burned, some properties were looted. These people are telling there is dispute between two communities. Who are they? How the trouble has erupted? What are the legal implications? How the recommendation or how the impugned order of acting Chief Justice M.A. Muralidharan is one of the problems for causing the trouble. All these things let us discuss. Definitely, you must be aware of the contemporary issues, maybe political issues, and you have to draw the so-called legal interpretation from them. Yesterday, it has come in the press that Honorable Chief Justice of India, the bench consisting of Honorable Chief Justice of India, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, J.B. Pardiwala, and P.S. Narasimha. Justice CJI commented, the High Court does not have power to direct the states to change the scheduled tribe or list. It is the actually power of the President of India under Article 342, Clause 1 of the Constitution of India. High Court does not have say anything. It was stated 23 years back, not now, in a very famous case of State of Maharashtra versus Milin, which the judgment was given in November 2000. There it is very clearly stated that the High Court or Supreme Court, they do not participate in the recommendation or delimitation or deleting the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe. It is for the President of India to appoint a commission to conduct an inquiry and to say whether this particular community can be included in the scheduled tribe or not. That's all. High Court, they don't. But still, the orders of the Manipur High Court on 27th March 2022, it is also one of the quite ignited the trouble. Right, coming to the facts of the case, they have to know the case also. Actually, a BJP MP or MLA, he filed a case. His name is Dinglung Gangmei. Very difficult. Dinglung Gangmei. He is the chairman of Hill Area Committee versus Union of India. You can read the case like this. Yes, madam. So, basically, before starting the case, let us know the background of Manipur. Impal City, the capital of Manipur. In Manipur law, actually, tribal communities are Nagas and Kukis. Actually, they are located in the so-called forest area. And there is another community which is a dominant community, which is Vaishnava community, which are called as OBC, that is Methi community. They are in the plain area. So, reserve forest, you may be knowing, Forest Act. So, the persons who are there in the reserve forest, definitely they can enjoy the forest area, Podu Bhumi, Vyavasai, nobody can go and purchase that area lands. But these Methis, even though they are 60% in the population, they are giving the OBC status. Now they are fighting for inclusion of their caste in the ST. This is the root cause. Then they filed a case. In this case, on 27th March, Honorable Acting Chief Justice Muralidharan, he directed the state to recommend to the center. You may be knowing the High Court orders, మీకు తెలిసే ఉంటాయి. ఏది స్ట్రైట్గా ఎవరు consider the matter, put it before, like that, he has given a direction that the state may propose the matter before the center. And people are the impression that when once the center aspects this Methi community, they will also get the reservation. 60% people, when they get the reservation, what about Nagas and Kukis? The trouble started. So they wanted to take out a rally. This trouble started from 5th May. So first Chandraspur or something, some rally, it has turned violent, all these things have taken place, and curfew and shoot at sight orders under Article 355 of the Constitution of India. Ultimately, of course, now the situation is under control. Very recently, when the Honorable Chief Justice of India asked the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, he stated that for the past 2 days there are no incidents of violence, but Supreme Court said that it is a humanitarian problem. And please remember, the state has to take all measures to protect the religious places of worship, to maintain the law and order, to see that the public order is restored. But here the important legal point what I outlined is, the High Court does not have any say in the inclusion or deletion of a particular caste in the so-called scheduled caste or scheduled tribe list. It is for the President under Article 342. If you know this much, it is sufficient. A brewing problem in Manipur, and it always erupts. Sometimes, after 2 or 3 years, once again it will erupt. Anyway, for the present, please remember this Dinglung Gangmei, chairman of the Hill Areas Tribes Committee case, as well as State of Maharashtra versus Milind 2000 case, where it has been specifically stated that the court has no say in the elimination or the formation of any particular community in the list of scheduled constitutive tribes. So this is the Manipur issue. I have treated it only in the legal way, not in the political way. Right? Please study, read it, or see the video once or twice. It's not easy to understand this problem. So see the video once or twice and enrich your legal knowledge. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.